Okay, another video brought to you from See What? Sidewoods Auto Tech. Today we have a student did his own spark plug replacement. Wasn't able to help him because I was helping another student. No big deal. He put the spark plug wires on incorrectly. So if you ever hear this noise right here, and if you just did a tune-up, you hear that noise, you know you put the spark plugs in correctly back onto the cap. So what we're going to do is show you how to figure out the correct way to install the spark plugs. Many times they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the cylinders are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, especially if it's the original equipment manufacturer. But in this case, the spark plug wires that he bought do not have any numbers on them. So, and the cap doesn't have any numbers on it. So therefore, we have to use our all data and install them correctly. Blake is our main man today. So we are tech. We go ahead and take off the valve covers.
For real?
Much obliged.
Don't slap me.
Go ahead and pull that off. Alright, so now we have our spark plugs and we can match our all data diagram up with the spark plugs. So we know this is cylinder number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The firing order is 1, 3, 4, 2. So you can see that right here. So if you want to bring that around. Not really. Get a view this way. So now some spark plugs or some caps will actually be numbered. In this case, it's not numbered. So what we have to do is figure out, well, where's the number 1 cylinder? So what we're going to do is we're going to put the number 1 cylinder in top dead center, and wherever it's pointing to, that's going to be our number 1 cylinder. And then once we figure out where the number 1 cylinder is, we know in counter or in the clockwise rotation, the next one would be the 3, one after that would be the 4, and then one after that would be the 2. All right. So what we're going to do is take out the number 1 spark plug, and then we're going to put it on top dead center, and then we're going to install the spark plugs the correct way. So go ahead and pause the tape while we get all the tools ready to take out the spark plug and set it top dead center.